Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Tsv To Xls converting app. Tsv is tab separation values format. It uses tab as a separator, and XLS is old Microsoft format. Now I can let me show you. I have this file. I can open it in Notepad to show you what is inside. It's list of US states, tab separated. I also have a Tsv viewer, which is free apps that can show you what is inside. I can sort in here quickly if I need to, or export to different format. But I can show you apps that I created for converting TSV tab separated files into XLS. Here's my website. I will leave links on this site into description. To find app, I type TSV. To find a specific app, I need this one. I click on app page, click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. It's a relatively small file. It's just downloading from Google Doc, and Google Doc is additionally scanning files and archives. So yeah, I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes here, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on the shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is a 3 steps process. In first step, I have to select TSV file I want to convert. So I'll click on this button to navigate to my documents, and this is United States TSV file I want to convert. I'll click on file, click on open, and then click on next step. If first row of the file has column names, sorry, which is true in my case, I will leave this checked, click on next step, and on final step just click run to run the conversion. It will ask me about name or location of the file, so documents and name of the file is okay, just click save, and you can see file has been saved, and let's go and see file. So I will go to my docs. This is a recent file, it's placed in the recent file, just double click on it, and it will show me file. Now I don't have a Excel. It's a free version of Excel. It's Excel mobile viewer or something like this, and it's not allowing me to change anything. But you can see that file was nicely converted, and because I selected first row as a header, it's placed in header here, and I can scroll all the way down, and you can see all 50 states are here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.